Some kind of flowers and a throne. Yeah, see how beautiful it is. And this part, see the middle part. It looks like it's very dangerous. And the flowers are very beautiful flowers. Yeah, see. Yeah, the needles, like the thorns, are very dangerous, I think. This is the plant. Yeah, this is the plant. We have so many like this.
Go through every emotion when you know that they don't care. Darling, that's when I'm with you. Oh, I'll go with you anywhere.
It looks like it's dangerous. And see, the flowers are very beautiful flowers. I don't know which plant is this. If you know, please comment. Thank you.